Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on how good the ZR1 bumper fits on the 93 to 02 Camaro. I always get asked, house fitment, does it fit like crap, this and that. So today I'm gonna make a video on it because I've loaded my car up and I already went ahead and put the fenders and the front bumper on because we got a house. So I'm trying to get rid of my storage unit that I've been building the car in for the past year and a half. So back there is the bumper and we're going to go ahead and install it. Meanwhile, my wife's just chilling on the side of the trailer. But we're going to go ahead and put it back on because that's one less thing that I have to carry. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so here's the bumper. It is fiberglass, which sucks because it does not like to bend or move or flex at all while you install it. And also, if you run center mount exhaust, I have my big single tip right here. I actually had to cut some of it on each side, which it wasn't too aggravating. Then also, it probably ain't gonna fit all the way right because two of my bolts over here is broken off. There's only one on this side. There's actually three on that side like it's supposed to be. So when I actually go back to driving the car, I'm gonna get another one of these from the junkyard. That way I actually have three bolts holding the bumper on. So now we are going to go ahead and install it. It really ain't that bad. The only thing is once you get one side on, it's aggravating to get the other side on. You can see where I scratched my paint trying to put it on the very first time, but here goes nothing. Okay, so we got it put on. I don't have no more of the little push pins. I lost them during taking my car apart, which I don't think it really helps at all, honestly. But this is how it is once installed. That plastic piece I showed you on the inside of this a minute ago where I only had one screw, it's actually stripped out, so this really ain't bolted all the way down. But as you can see, once it is, it'll pull that in just a little bit. But there's a pretty good little gap between the quarter panel and that going up. Then also I'll have to add a screw in. Again, I'm just putting this bone here that way until I move to the other garage. Then I got all three put in right here, so this is actually fitting pretty good. Only thing is it sticks out just a little bit. Then there's the line. When I had it on the car, the really sucky part is right here at the Berger panel. There's just a small little gap. So I'll go ahead and put the Berger panel on and show you how it looks with the Berger panel on. Okay, so I went ahead and put my taillights in and the Berger panel on. From this angle and this distance, I mean, the bumper looks great. Don't look that bad until you really get up looking at it. Like I said, this ain't bolted down because that bracket's broke. So this, I'll just go to the other side. So from here over, it's bolted down really good. This is the only problem I really see people may have is the gap between the Berger panel. So I feel like if you're a body guy, you can cut this right here, then that'll fit more flush. But other than that, it's really not that bad. Would I pay $500 for this bumper? No, it's not worth $500. But I got the bumper for free, so that's why I run it. But if you actually get it to actually fit right, it looks really good with an Fbody, especially if you run the center mount exhaust and stuff. But here it is from the side. But again, when I actually go back to driving the car, I'll put that piece back on. I'll go to the junkyard and get one, that way it'll be bolted up. And I even might actually just sell this bumper for like 50-60 bucks and go back with the center mount valence and the stock bumper just for fitment reasons, because if you follow my channel or the build or my car, you'll know I have a lot of money in it. So I want it to actually look good, not be like, well, he just put this piece of crap bumper on there and called it a day. So I want everything to be real nice and flow real good, because I have took the time to paint the engine bay, paint all up underneath it, all tubular suspension, everything. Then I don't want people to look up under the car and be like, dang, then come back here and the bumper's all just hanging off basically. But this is just a little overview of the ZR1 bumper for the Fbody. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. And also, if you like this LTX Swap the World hoodie, I will leave a link down below to my Teespring account. I just made a few little hoodies like this just for the LT1 guys out there, so go check that out. I got little t-shirts, hoodies, little mugs and phone cases that says LTX Swap the World. I will make a design that says LS Swap the World for the LS guys, but I already knew there's hundreds of other people out there that made LSX stuff, so click the link below and go check out that if you want a shirt or a hoodie. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.